Thanks to Ben Collins, forever, for being the impetus for all of these great Google Sheet tutorials. This tip allows us to sneak a column total, or other metric, into a column's heading. When you have a spreadsheet with running totals, eventually the total will be pushed way down on the sheet. This is not only annoying, but inefficient. For example, after only 3 weeks, this sheet's total would require you to scroll to see the total. Annoying, right? Scroll up to return to our header rows. To get headers with running totals, in the following formula, substitute the text portion with your header text, and the column range to match your column designation. Copy this formula into your clipboard. This will show you how much more convenient it is to have your running totals in with your header text. Here's how. With the formula in your clipboard, click in the cell where you want the first header to incorporate a running total. Paste the formula from your clipboard into the header cell using Ctrl+V or Command+V. To get your header formatted the way you originally intended, you'll use the Paint Format tool. Click into a cell that already has the formatting you want to copy. With that cell selected, click the Paint Format icon. Then click into the cell you want to reformat. There you go, all formatted. So how do you get the other columns to repeat the formula? In one of two ways. If you're worried about typing the formula incorrectly, use this method. 1. Click into the next header cell. Select the text from that cell. Press shortcut, Ctrl+C, Windows, or Command+C, Mac, to copy that text into your clipboard. With that text in your clipboard, click to select the handle in the cell from which you want to copy the formula from one cell to another. With your mouse, click and drag the cell handle, then drop it on the adjacent cell. With your mouse in the formula area of the new cell, select text in the formula that you want to replace with the text in your clipboard. Press shortcut, Ctrl+V or Command+V to paste the text from your clipboard, which replaces the former text from the other column. And you end up with the same formula with the correct header text and the new column's running total. Or, if you're a confident typist, too, you can simply retype the formula into the new cell by substituting the new cell's text and column designation. The remainder of this tutorial shows you some easy modifications to ways you can configure your headers with running totals. For example, if you want to include a currency symbol, include it as part of the text. Copy this formula into your clipboard, and paste that formula into your header cell with Ctrl+V or Command+V. Now you have a $sign as part of your header. Maybe you want your header to designate what that number in your header is. Copy this formula to add the word total into your text, and paste that formula into your header cell with Ctrl+V or Command+V. That included the word total in your header. Maybe you want parentheses to offset the text from the running total. Copy this formula into your clipboard. Now the header differentiates the text part of the header from the running total part of the header. Running total? Yup. Let's say we added the next day's numbers onto our sheet. Without scrolling, the header automatically updated the total of the column, and we didn't have to scroll. Let's try it again. We'll add another day's data in, and seamlessly include running totals with your headers. Check out Ben Collins's suggestion for formatting numbers with comma separators in your formula. For a non-currency number like 1357, as an example, the formula would look something like this.